Hi guys, today we are going to see different means of numbers. So guys, if you understand these different types of means only, you can understand the A and J inequality as well as some other parts of the sequence and series. Because guys, if you understand the types of mean, like your arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean, then only you can go upon with your A and J inequality and also some other parts of the sequence and series. So guys, there are three types of mean. One is your arithmetic mean, another is your geometric mean, and another is your harmonic mean. These are all three types of mean: arithmetic, geometric, and harmonic. So guys, let us first see about the arithmetic mean. I will represent this arithmetic mean as AM because AM is a short form for arithmetic mean. So that is why we say it as AMGM inequality. We say now guys AMGM inequality. We don't say it as arithmetic mean, geometric mean inequality because it's very long. So we are just representing this arithmetic mean as AM. Now, what does this arithmetic mean? Basically, your arithmetic mean is almost same as average. Not even almost, it's pakka same. Okay. This arithmetic mean is pakka same to your average. That is sum of all the observation divided by total number of observation. Okay. So that is what we mean by average. So that definition upholds true for arithmetic mean also. So guys, arithmetic mean of two non-zero numbers. Arithmetic mean of two non-zero numbers A and B. Arithmetic mean of two non-zero numbers A and B will be nothing but A plus B by 2. Correct now? Arithmetic mean of two non-zero numbers A and B will be nothing but A plus B by 2 because we know that your arithmetic mean, or we can say it as average, is nothing but sum of all the observation, that is A plus B, because A and B are the observations, I mean the elements, divided by 2 because number of observation is 1, 2. Okay, so there are two elements. That is why A plus B divided by 2. That is the arithmetic mean of two non-zero numbers A and B. Here A and B are the elements. So these two elements are non-zero numbers. So arithmetic mean of those two non-zero numbers will be A plus B by 2. It's a kind of obvious thing because it is same as your average. Now arithmetic mean of n non-zero numbers. Arithmetic mean of n non-zero numbers. What does it mean by n non-zero numbers? N non-zero numbers is nothing but like your A1, A2, A3, A4, all the way up to AN. These are all called as n non-zero numbers. Correct now? Your n non-zero numbers is nothing but A1, A2, A3, A4, all the way up to AN. Correct now? This is what we mean by your n non-zero numbers. So these are all the elements of n non-zero numbers. Now if I need to find the value of arithmetic mean of n non-zero numbers, what will be the arithmetic mean of these elements? That will be nothing but 1 by n into A1 plus A2 plus A3 all the way up to AN. Correct now? This is what the arithmetic mean of all these elements, because we know that arithmetic means nothing but sum of all the observation divided by the total number of observation. I just took 1 by n outside. You can also write as A1 plus A2 plus A3 all the way up to AN divided by n because both are same now. This looks very easy, that's why I wrote like that. So arithmetic mean of two non-zero numbers A and B will be A plus B by 2. Arithmetic mean of n non-zero numbers will be nothing but 1 by n into A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to AN if A1, A2, A3, A4, AN are the elements of this particular sequence. Okay. So this is all about your arithmetic mean. Now let us move on to your geometric mean. GM. Okay. Let us move on to the geometric mean. So GM. So geometric mean, GM both are same. GM is a short form. Now guys, geometric mean of two positive numbers. Geometric mean of two positive numbers A and B. Let me say two positive numbers as A and B. Geometric mean of two positive numbers a and b will be nothing but square root of ab. Very important. Geometric mean of two positive numbers. Be careful. I did not say your non-zero numbers. I did not say your negative numbers. I did not say your integers itself. I just said two positive numbers. That is very important when you are considering geometric mean. Two positive numbers, please hear it carefully. Two positive numbers a and b. For two positive numbers a and b, geometric mean of those two positive numbers a and b will be root of ab. I mean square root of ab. So I will repeat once again. Geometric mean of two positive numbers a and b will be root of ab. Now, for n positive numbers. N positive numbers means, as earlier I told, right, for AM I told, right, that for arithmetic mean I told n numbers means how will you write? A1, A2, A3, all the way up to AN, correct now? This is what we mean by n positive numbers. These are all the positive elements. That is very important when you are considering geometric mean. So I am saying there are n positive numbers. N positive numbers where the elements are A1, A2, A3 all the way up to AN. This is the formula for that particular sequence. Okay. So these are all the elements and all the elements are positive. If all the elements are positive, then I would say that the geometric mean of this particular n positive numbers will be nothing but A1 into A2 into A3 into A4 into A5. I don't need to write A5 and all. Okay, I should not write. Okay, so all the way up to AN. Multiply all the way up to AN. Okay, then whole power 1 by n. This is your geometric mean of n positive numbers. N positive numbers means these are all the elements A1, A2, A3 all the way up to N or the elements of this particular n non-zero numbers. Then geometric mean of n non-zero with the elements A1, A2, A3 will be nothing but A1 into A2 into A3 all the way up to into AN whole power 1 by n. These two formulas are same only. What is the difference is here also there are two elements. So AB whole power 1 by n. 1 by n is 1 by number of elements. 1 by number of elements nothing but there are two elements. So 1 by 2. AB to the power 1. AB whole power 1 by 2 is root of AB. Same like here. I can write the same expression as nth root of A1, A2 all the way up to AN. Correct now? Both these expressions are same only because any number to the power 1 by n is nth root of that number. Okay, that's all I am saying. So, yeah, geometric mean of n positive numbers is A1 into A2 into A3 all the way up to AN whole power 1 by n where n represents the number of elements. Both these formulas are same only. Okay, from this only this formula is derived. Please note that from this particular formula only this term derived. Okay. So that's all about your geometric mean. I will repeat once again. Geometric mean of two positive numbers A and B will be root of AB. Geometric mean of n positive numbers will be A1 into A3 all the way to AN whole power 1 by n. Now let us move on to your HP. Not HP. HM. Okay. Harmonic mean. So harmonic mean. Guys, I will take another copy. This copy is not writing well. So guys, now let us come. So actually, harmonic mean is represented as HM. So harmonic mean of two non-zero numbers. Harmonic mean of two non-zero numbers A and B. Harmonic mean of two non-zero numbers A and B will be nothing but 2AB by A plus B. Very important guys. Please remember. Harmonic mean of two non-zero numbers A and B. I am not saying positive. I am just saying non-zero. For geometric mean only you should say positive. So harmonic mean of two non-zero numbers A and B will be 2AB by A plus B. Correct now? I hope you understand. So harmonic mean of two non-zero numbers a and b will be 2ab by a plus b. Now harmonic mean of n non-zero numbers is just now I told now a1, a2, a3a. These are all called as n non-zero numbers all the way up to an. These are all called as n non-zero numbers. Now harmonic mean of n such non-zero numbers where the elements are a1, a2, a3 all the way up to an will be nothing but n divided by 1 by a1 plus 1 by a2 plus 1 by a3 plus all the way up to 1 by an. That is the harmonic mean of n non-zero numbers. I will repeat once again, guys. Harmonic mean of two non-zero numbers a and b is 2ab by a plus b. Remember, harmonic mean of n non-zero numbers will be n divided by 1 by a1 plus 1 by a2 plus 1 by a3 all the way up to 1 by n. So guys, you can represent the same expression as n divided by, basically tell me one thing, we are having 1 by a1 plus 1 by a2 plus 1 by a3 all the way up to 1 by an. So this is a particular series now. So if you have a series, it's better to convert to sigma notation because basically if we convert to sigma only, it will be very easier. If it is like this form, it will be complicated. So I'm going to convert the series in terms of sigma notation. So I can write it as this denominator, I can write it as the summation of 1 by ak from k is equal to 1 to n number of elements. I can write like that now. Where hm of n non-zero numbers will be n divided by 1 by a1 plus 1 by a2 plus 1 by a3 all the way to 1 by an. Now I can write the same denominator summation of 1 by ak from k is equal to 1 to the n number of elements. Why? Because summation. This is a series, so I can convert as summation. Because when you put 1 in place of k, you will get 1 by a1. When you put 2 in place of k, you will get 1 by a2. When you put 3 in place of k, you will get 1 by a3. When you put n in place of k, you will get 1 by n. I am getting those terms. So sum of the series is nothing but a sigma notation. That's why I represent it like this. So this is how we represent. So finally I will say that this is a harmonic mean of n non-zero numbers. So from this I can say one relation. 1 by hm, that means harmonic mean, will be equal to 1 by n into 1 by a1 plus 1 by a2 plus 1 by a3 all the way up to 1 by an. I can say like that now. Using this particular formula only I am saying like that. If hm is equal to n divided by 1 by a1 plus 1 by a2 plus 1 by a3 all the way up to 1 by n, I can relate that 1 by hm will be equal to 1 by n into just the reciprocal. Hm is equal to this value means if the reciprocal of this particular term is what? Reciprocal of this particular term is ulta. This will go numerator, that's what I wrote here, and n will become as denominator, that's what I wrote it as 1 by n. Purida? That's all guys. So 1 by hm is equal to 1 by n into 1 by a1 plus 1 by a2 plus 1 by 3 all the way to 1 by n. You can also represent it as this particular sigma notation. Okay, so I will write here. 1 by hm will be equal to 1 by n into summation of 1 by ak, k is equal to 1 to n number of elements. That's all. Very simple. Like this also you can represent. Just by using this particular expression only I am deriving this. Okay. Just I am taking a reciprocal of hm. 1 by hm will be reciprocal of this particular expression. Okay. That's all guys. That's all about your different types of mean. So thank you. Make education simple.